Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo. The Emperor, Magician and Death. Queen of Cups, Ten of Swords and Page of Wands. Under the deck, the Star. First, the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio or Aquarius. Okay, let's see. There is some positive changes coming in your life, and maybe the person seeing you as a star. But I am seeing a positive shifts. Your thinking is going in a positive way. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Emperor, the Magician and Death. In recent past, you manifested everything in your life. You are in manifesting energy. You manifested love, career, whatever. You are very committed to this relationship because the Emperor is here. You are very committed and loyal in this connection. But there is one type of ending is here. Maybe it could be temporary or permanent. But one type of ending because Death card is here. Maybe you're undergoing some transformation also. There is some type of ending in past. Then present, Queen of Cups, Ten of Swords and Page of Wands. Some communication is coming in your way. Maybe you person want to send some message because Page of Wands, one person is younger than the other person in this connection. And one person is very good looking and attractive. So you have strong emotion for your person Virgo. Still you want rebirth in this connection, but one type of ending is here because Ten of Swords. I think this is not in your hands because you always there for your person. You always give 100%. But I think it's your person problem. They will come when they want. They will go when they want. That type of situation. There is no consistency, and this could be on and off connection. Yeah, that's why still you are feeling this, but you want rebirth in this connection, and some communication is coming in your way. And future energies, Five of Swords, Ace of Pentacles and Strength. Yeah, there is a chance for to reconcile in this relationship because Ace of Pentacles with Ten of Swords and Magician. You are manifesting them back again in your life. Yeah, maybe for some you will get what you are manifesting because Ace of Pentacles is here, but there is some backstabbing here. Maybe they lied to you, cheated on you, something. There are some disturbances between both of you, but you overcome all this energy, Ten of Swords and Five of Swords, because you overcome everything and you will stand by your power and you will become very grounded. Yeah, this is very good energy for you Virgo, and the person involved in this connection could be Leo also. So you stand by your power. For some, you are concentrating on your career, financial abundance and job because Ace of Pentacles, career stability and financial abundance is coming in your way. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Leo or Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. But something positive is coming in your way. Because the Strength card, you achieved your balance. Now you are totally in your control. Again the Magician. You are manifesting them in your life and they are also maybe manifesting you. For some, your person is a player type energy manipulator. So let's see the current feelings towards you. Two cards. Virgo, your person current feelings towards you. Yeah, I already told you long-term commitment. They are willing to offer long-term commitment because Ace of Pentacles with Three of Cups. If you are in separation, they really want to reconcile with you. Now they're realizing you both. You are very caring and giving person, but now you are concentrating on your career because King of Pentacles. You are holding back. Queen of Pentacles, sorry. You are holding back your emotions. Now you are concentrating on your career, and they also thinking about you like that. That you are very super balanced now. You are concentrating on yourself. You are not giving any energy to them, any attention to them. And Three of Cups with Ace of Pentacles. If you are in separation, sorry guys, excuse me, they want reconciliation and they want to offer commitment. If you are not in separation, they really want to take this relationship to next level, and they are obsessed with you. The devil card is here, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. Maybe they are very dominative in this connection. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Virgo, your person near future actions. See the cards. Your person is stuck. Literally they are stuck. All cards are saying Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, Ten of Wands. Right now your person feeling overburdened, feeling stuck. They're in confusion. Maybe they now realizing your worth. Maybe they are getting spiritual awakening regarding this connection. Maybe this could be soulmate or twin flame connection. Eight of Swords, they're feeling stuck. They want reconciliation with you. They really want to offer commitment, but they are unable to make any move right now because they're in anxiety. They're overthinking about you because Nine of Swords energy. When they are alone, they're thinking about you a lot, especially at night times, and extra responsibilities, family or work pressure. They're feeling overburdened. Yeah. They really want to be with you forever because Ace of Pentacles with Three of Cups, but they're missing you so much. They're thinking about you a lot, but they're feeling stuck. And they're stuck on you. They're obsessed with you, Virgo. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Sorry guys, and the sounds are coming from behind our apartment. So let's see Two of Swords with Justice and Hierophant under the deck. So they want second chance. They really want to commit to you, but they're at some crossroads. They're in some anxiety. They're thinking about you. They don't know how to approach. Maybe for some they're scared because Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords. They're thinking about you. They're missing you so much. But due to family responsibilities, they're at some crossroads. But they will make a move. They want second chance. And the person involved in this connection could be Libra also. They really want to offer commitment. Yeah. See. Eight of Wands, communication. There will be communication between both of you near future. And Three of Pentacles, you also want collaboration, partnership with your person. And High Priestess, I think you are listening to your higher self, Virgo, and this is a spiritual bond for some. And Justice with Three of Pentacles, I am seeing reconciliation. Definitely there will be reconciliation in near future, but it will take time. Right now your person feeling stuck. After this energy, they will communicate with you and they will ask second chance. Okay. Yeah, this connection is stuck right now. Mutual card. And King of Wands. There is a lot of passion. Maybe you both are very powerful, grounded and attractive person. Definitely this connection right now stuck. But in near future there will be movement. Some communication will happen between both of you. Lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Virgo. Ten of Wands, Hermit, Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. You are totally concentrating on your career, getting financial stability, financial abundance, and you will achieve also. And hermit, maybe you are isolating from all, undergoing some spiritual awakening. You also feeling burdened due to family and work responsibilities. Sometimes, not all times. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Hierophant, again, they really want to commit to you. They're waiting for the right time, because right now they are feeling stuck, and some cycles are going to be end between you and your person, that is separation. Maybe this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or state. Wow, 3 of Pentacles, reconciliation. I think most of you will reconcile in near future. They are coming back for reconciliation. They want you back. And if you are in relationship but there is no consistency, there is no commitment, they are ready to offer commitment. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Virgo. Bring love into the situation, okay? If you are there coming back, if they approach it through communication, talk with them love, okay? So this is the message from universe. Bring love into the situation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.